The purpose of being here today is Ogandogan Foundation is endorsing Peter Obi on this presidential election come February 2023. This is Ogandogan movement with over 50 ward coordinators around the local government we have in Anambra State. Ogandogan movement also is in 9 states apart from Anambra State.
You must show your PVC. Once it's not up to date, like there are some people who came with their TVC about 10 years ago, I told them, no, you cannot get enlisted because there is no need we having this number when we can use the number. We don't need crowd. If it's a crowd, if I blow whistle now, 20,000 will assemble here. But that's not what we are looking for. We are looking for quality crowd, and that's what we have. One of the reasons you become a member here is you have a current updated PVC so that you'll be able to use it on that day. Because if we can vote for Peter Obi shouting behind him 20 million march, it doesn't make sense. So that is how we get people registered. If you don't have a PVC, sorry. If you forgot your own, sorry. Until you get it, you come in. If you look well, the manifesto with which we ran the Guba election last year is exactly what Peter Obi is showcasing in the national today. So the movement aligned with the ideology of Peter Obi. So it is simple for us to give our 100% support. They are specifically to support Peter Obi. You know, when they say Peter Obi does not have structure, I laugh. Because everywhere meaning Igbo man, we queue into one group that we give Peter Obi a bulk vote. We are present in every 326 polling units. We have already organized 3-man per polling booth. We have about 5,720 polling units there. We have about 3 people, but we want to start with the coordinators. We do our meeting every month in, month out. We will continue doing it, sensitizing people, teaching them what to do during the election as not to contravene the law and to get the maximum output for Peter Obi, because Nigeria is in a mess, and the only one human being that can save us is unfortunate. I'm using this word. One person can drag us from this pit which we are falling into. You know, the force of gravity is 10 meters per second. We are falling faster than that, and it's only Peter Obi that can do it, despite the fact he's from Igbo. If Peter Obi had been an Hausa man, I would still stand for him.